All their families want is justice. Grace O'Malley Kumar, Barnaby Webber and Ian Coates. The three were stabbed to death by this man, Valdo Calocane, a paranoid schizophrenic who is serving his sentence not in a prison but in a secure psychiatric facility. Now the families of those he killed have been told his sentence is going to be reviewed by the Court of Appeal. Emma Webber, Barnaby's mother, says she cried when she heard the news.
I call him the monster, but if Calocane was out in 20 years, he'd only be 52 years old. He'd have decades and decades left. And what we were pleased to hear is the recognition that the hospital order carries no penal elements and that there should be a penal element.
That recognition coming from the Attorney-General, who said, having received detailed legal advice and considered the issues raised very carefully, I've concluded that the sentence imposed against Calocane for the offences of manslaughter by reason of diminished responsibility and attempted murder was unduly lenient and will be referred to the Court of Appeal. Her decision took the relatives of Grace, Barnaby and Ian by surprise and gave them hope, but it came just after they received another shock. Nottinghamshire police have said that in the aftermath of the attacks, 11 officers viewed material related to the case without a legitimate reason to. An officer then posted a message about what they'd seen on a WhatsApp group, a message that's been described as crude and distasteful. 3 officers have faced disciplinary action, with one of them being sacked. In a statement, Superintendent Andrew Reynolds said, "We have taken these matters extremely seriously. Those who access material without any legitimate policing purpose can expect the harshest of sanctions, including dismissal from the organisation."
It's sickening, it's abhorrent voyeurism, and it's inexcusable.
Grace, Barnaby and Ian's relatives have said they can't begin to grieve yet because they're still fighting for answers and accountability. They feel they still have a long way to go. Becky Cottrell, Sky News, Nottingham.